Hello all, welcome to LitGuide. We will be learning a grammar topic today, word class. More specifically, we will discuss two types of word class, form class and function class. A word class can be defined as a category of words of similar form or function, or a set of words that have similar properties. Before I talk about the two types, that is, form class and function class, let me give you a short introduction that will help you understand these concepts better. There are different types of grammarians, like traditional grammarians and structural grammarians, who classified words using different criteria. Let us see how traditional grammarians and structural grammarians classified words. Traditional grammar, which followed Latin grammar and its rules, gave importance to the meaning of words. So naturally, traditional grammarians classified words purely on the basis of meaning, and their classification or word classes is what we call parts of speech. But as the study of language developed, traditional grammar became outdated. Then came the structural grammarians. They gave more importance to function of words and considered not just the lexical meaning of words but also the structural meaning of words. That is, how words are formed, where they are positioned in a sentence, and most importantly, what their functions are. They followed three levels of analysis: phonology, morphology, and syntax. This is just an extra information for you to understand the concepts better. By combining ideas from traditional grammar and structural grammar, two word classes were formed. That is the ones we are going to discuss further, form class and function class. Let us see the features of words belonging to form class. First point, form class is also known as lexical class or content class or open class of words. Second point, all words in this category have specific meaning. All these words have dictionary definitions and they carry the semantic content or the meaning in a sentence. That is why this word class is also called as lexical or content class of words. Third point, it is open-ended because new words can always be added to this particular class. For example, words like selfie, tweet, etc. are fairly recent additions to the word pool in English language. Fourth point, their form can be changed by adding suffixes or prefixes. For example, the adjective bad becomes an adverb badly when the suffix ly is added to it. Usually, words belonging to this category receive accent in normal speech. Nouns, main verbs, adjectives, adverbs, demonstrative pronouns like this and that, and interrogative pronouns like what, when, etc. are the parts of speech that come under this category. Let us now talk about function class. First point, function class is also known as grammatical class or structure class or closed class of words. Second point, the words in this category do not have meaning on their own. They make a sentence meaningful by providing a grammatical structure to the sentence. That is why function class is also called as grammatical class or structure class. We can say that function class words connect form class words to one another in a sentence. Third point, it is called closed class because new words cannot be added to it. Words belonging to this category are limited in number and do not undergo any change over time. Fourth point, they do not change form. That is, prefixes or suffixes cannot be added to them. Fifth point, they do not usually receive accent in normal speech. point, the parts of speech that fall under this category include conjunctions, auxiliary verbs or helping verbs, that is, words like be, can, could, etc. Personal pronouns, relative pronouns, prepositions, and articles. Alright, let us have a quick summary. First point, form class is also called as lexical class or content class or open class of words, while function class is also called as grammatical class or structure class or closed class of words. Second point, form class has meaning, while function class words have no meaning on their own. They give grammatical structure to a sentence and show relation between the words of that sentence. Third point, form class is open-ended, that is, new words can be added to it. Function class is a closed class of words, that is, no additions can be made to it. Fourth point, the form of words under form class can be changed with prefixes or suffixes, while that of function class words cannot be changed. Fifth point, form class words usually receive accent in normal speech, while function class words do not. Sixth point, parts of speech that fall under form class include nouns, main verbs, adjectives, adverbs, demonstrative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Parts of speech under function class include conjunctions, auxiliary verbs, personal pronouns, relative pronouns, prepositions, and articles. Some examples of form class words are cat, artist, happy, quickly, etc. Some examples of words belonging to function class are on, at, in, but, and, etc. Thank you all.